properties of eigenvalue. We discussed about two properties. Sum of the eigenvalues equal to the sum of the main diagonals and product of the eigenvalues equal to determinant of the matrix. So today we will also solve the same using same property, that is find the constant A and B such that the matrix A, 4, 1, B as 3 and minus 2 as its eigenvalues. So in this problem statement they are given the matrix. The matrix is A, 4, 1, B. It consists of the two unknowns A and B. So they are asking what's value for A and B. The int given is the eigenvalues or 3 and minus 2. Since the given order is 2 cross 2, it has 2 matrix eigenvalue 3 and minus 2. So let us solve the problem. We already know the property. Sum of the eigenvalues equal to sum of the main diagonal elements. Sum of the eigenvalue. So eigenvalue given of 3 and minus 2. So 3 plus minus 2 is equal to sum of the main diagonal. The main diagonal is A and B. So sum is A plus B. So we got the equation 1. A plus B equal to 3 plus minus 2 is 1. So let us take this as equation number 1. So using the first property, we got the first equation A plus B equal to 1. Next, the second property is product of the eigenvalue. Product of the eigenvalue is equal to the determinant A. So the product, what is the product means? Multiplication. 3 into minus 2 equal to determinant A, 4, 1, B. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 equal to AB minus 4. So this minus 4 comes to this side. So we get the second equation AB equal to minus 2. So let us rename it as is equation 2. So the first equation is A plus B equal to 1 and second equation is AB equal to minus 2. Using these two equations, let us find the value of the unknowns A and B. So we got the two equations 1 and 2. So using these 1 and 2 equation, we are going to find the value of A and B. So we already know the formula A minus B whole square. So what's the formula for A minus B whole square? It is A square plus B square minus 2AB. And A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So when we add minus 4AB to this problem, to this formula, the formula changes to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So it is same as A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Because we have the value for A plus B. We got from equation 1, it is 1. And value of AB is minus 2. So substituting this 1 square minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 and minus 2 is plus 8. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So we get A minus B whole square equal to 9. From this I can find A minus B. A minus B is nothing but root 9. So what's the value for root 9? It can take plus value or minus value. So it is equal to plus or minus 3. So in this case we have two values. A minus B can be equal to 3 or A minus B can be equal to minus 3. So let us take two separate cases and find the value of A and B. So let me take the first case A minus B equal to 3. Let me name as equation 3. What's the first equation? A plus B equal to 1. This is the first equation, I got it. So add these two equations. When I add these two equations, A plus A is 2A. B minus B and plus B will get cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what I got? 2A equal to 4. So I need the value of A. The 2 comes to the denominator. So I am getting the value A equal to 2. So once you got the value of A, you can find the value of B by substituting the value of A in equation 3. That is 2 minus B equal to 3. Minus B equal to 2 goes here. 3 minus 2 minus B equal to 1 So I am getting b value as minus 1. So when the case it takes a minus b equal to 3, I am getting the value for a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. This is the case 1. Similarly, we have case 2. A minus b equal to minus 3. So we have a plus b equal to 1. Add these two equations. When I add these two equations, I will get 2a equal to minus 2, a equal to minus 1. As usual, substitute the value of a equal to minus 1 in this equation. Minus 1 minus b equal to minus 3. 1 will goes here. Minus b equal to minus 2, b equal to 2. Hence, in the second case, when a minus b equal to minus 3, I am getting the value of a is equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. So, when the cases are different, we get different two values. So, the first case, we have a and b values of, for the first case, we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1. For the second case, a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. Hence, we found the value of a and b. The constant given values, we got the value for a and b. Thank you.